عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Alright, so let me introduce myself and let's begin with my name. My name is Yasmin Chol and I'm in the 8th grade. Inshallah, I'll be moving to the next year and I'm honored to be standing in front of all of you here. This year I'm getting ready to graduate, so I want to give this speech and not exaggerate. I want to give this speech to encapsulate all the hard work that we've done to congratulate. I begin by thanking Allah, the giver of all life, and then my parents, who taught me wrong from right. Wahnan ala wahn, all the sacrifice. They're the pillars that are out of sight. Next, my peers, who kept me company this whole year. Even if you drive me crazy, I'll still hold you dear. I hope to see you all when I join grade 9, and see you all grow after the summertime. Next, my heartfelt thanks to all my teachers true, for their hard work and the knowledge they imbue. Today it's time for you to shine, not just be heard, and you've earned our gratitude, more than just these words. Next to the admins, like gears that never pause. Without your work, the school will lose its cause. You keep this place rolling, steady and strong, and without your guidance, everything will go wrong. I was a locked door, and you all hold the key. From Brother Hakim, with his wisdom, to Brother Amin's clarity. From old to new, to even students like Oshodi. I remember you all as I chase my dreams of belief.